Duplicating a Confluence page allows you to easily create a new page with the same content as an existing one, which is useful for templates or reusing information. Here's how you can duplicate a page in Confluence. Navigate to the page. First, go to the Confluence page that you want to duplicate. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to view and edit the page. Open the Page Tools. Look for the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the page, next to the Watch or Share button. This menu contains options for managing the page. Select Copy. From the drop-down menu, click on Copy. This will open the Copy Page dialog, where you can define the details for the new page. Rename the page. In the Copy Page dialog, you can enter a new title for the duplicated page. By default, it might append to the original title, but you can customize it as needed. Choose the location. Select the space and parent page where you want the new duplicated page to reside. You can either keep it in the same space or move it to a different one. Click Copy. After making your selections, click the Copy button. The new page will be created, retaining the content of the original page.